Whether nagsisimula ka pa lang sa yung freelancing business or you're looking to learn how to operate your freelancing business effectively, I might be a good mentor for you. Hi, Mary here, and I've been working from home since 2009. What you would learn from me is just how to give your freelancing career a kickstart, but I would also help you learn how to create a sustainable freelancing business. Bakit? Kasi I think more than what you see dito sa social media na earning six figures, nakapagpatayo na ng bahay, nakabili na ng napakaraming kotse, millions na ang na-earn sa freelancing. Mas importante na matutunan mo kung paano i-sustain yung business mo as something that you would have as a long-time career. Tatanong ni We Deserve. Gusto ko yan. Yes, we deserve. If you guys want to learn how to start freelancing or gusto nyo magpa-mentor sa akin, I would highly recommend that you take our top VIP All Access Pass. This program aims to have just you paying one fee, which is 1,999. This is good for 1 year at iisa lang yung goal natin. Be able to create a lifestyle that you deserve. Inspired tayo. If you guys wanna join ang top VIP All Access Pass, may access ka na sa lahat ng trainings. Yes, lahat po ng trainings na meron kami maa-access mo na. Apart from that, you'd be able to join all of the internship programs na included dun sa mga classes na may internship. And then you'd be able to have a feel of ano nga ba yung ginagawa for specific roles. Once you've decided kung ano na yung role na gusto mo, you can take it one step further and have a mock interview for that particular role with me. So lahat ng classes, halimbawa gusto mong itry na mag-mock interview for SEO, we'll do mock interview for SEO. You want to do mock interview for PPC, which is media buying, we'd be able to do that as well. Nasa sa'yo yon, ikaw yung may hawak ng schedule mo, but at the same time, puwersado ka rin, may mapapressure ka din, meron din challenge, kasi lahat ng classes, may i-invite ka via Google Calendar. Meron din mga classrooms to where you'd be able to ask your co-mentees or yung mismong mentors about specific challenges or roadblocks. If this is you and you wanna join, punta lang kayo guys sa profile ko, click itong link sa bio ko, pagkatapos it will open this page. Mind you, this page will also give you free resources kung paano magsimula mag-freelancing, but if sure ka na rin you want to join the Top VIP All Access Pass, hanapin mo lang yung open classes, i-click mo tong 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass, makikita mo na dyan yung form to enroll. Kung nasa Instagram ka naman, ito yung i-click. At pag di gumana yung TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko, pagkatapos hanapin nyo itong video na to, nasa caption mismo yung pinaka-link. Again, just a heads up, March batch is about to close. So, huwag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-join na kayo. We'll see you at the classroom and comment any questions. You guys have a working from home. Follow from or work from home chismis. Nag-iingin ang aso ko. Bye.